Using octaves in jazz guitar solos is one of the signature sounds of the great Wes Montgomery. However, I think every jazz guitar player should attempt using a few octaves in your solos, playing heads to tunes, harmonised in octaves. It adds such a thick, rich, full, wonderful sound to what you play. Besides Wes, other jazz guitar players like Emily Remler and Terry Smith were excellent users of octaves, and they just add another depth to your playing. Sometimes you'll be playing single line solos and you kind of feel like you've got all you can from single line solos, and then adding some octaves will really kind of, add some variety to your solo, take it up a notch. So what I've done is basically written out 3 octave solos over short form tunes to help you get used to using octaves in your playing. You'll find that some of these techniques sound more impressive than what they are, and that's the good thing about using octaves. Sometimes you can think rhythmically, you can think with less notes. You don't always have to think, of more complex passages to use them effectively, and that's what I've tried to represent in these solos here. You can find all the information to this on my website, on my courses section. I've also included as a bonus basically kind of a Wes Montgomery mini workshop in which I discuss some of his phrasing techniques, some of his chordal techniques, to help you get kind of more into that sound as well, if that's something that appeals to you. I've also included as a bonus a breakdown to Wes's fantastic solo on 4-on-6, which is a great insight also into his playing and will supplement some of the octave material nicely. So if this is something that you'd be interested in, then please check out the course section on my website, which you will find a link to, and from there you can enroll on the course. As per usual, the course I reckon is probably 45 minutes, I think, long. There's several PDFs with chord diagrams and full PDF transcriptions with tab and notation of everything that I'm playing, so you can follow along. I hope to see you there.